Hello, the topic for today's video is purpose of presentations. In case the matter here was helpful, please hit the like button at the end of the video. So, without further delay, let us proceed to the topic. The main purpose or objective of delivering a presentation is usually to inform. When we deliver presentations in places like offices, boardrooms, classrooms, etc., we do it to pass on some sort of information to the listeners or the audience members. The second purpose is to educate. Sometimes the objective of using presentations is to educate students in a classroom. These days, teachers, instructors, professors often use presentations as part of the teaching-learning process. Also, technology is making it possible for courses to be taught entirely online on teaching platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, Coursera, etc. Teachers teaching on these platforms are required to have excellent presentation skills. The third purpose presentations are used for is to evaluate students. In certain educational institutions, students are asked to deliver presentations on topics that are assigned to them by their teacher. They then receive appropriate grades or marks in return. Such presentations allow a teacher to gauge how well a student has understood a study topic. The purpose of such presentations is to stimulate self-learning. Another objective is to trigger classroom discussion. Another objective is to provide opportunities where students can articulate their opinion about an issue and also develop confidence in their oral communication skills. The next purpose is to articulate business strategy. One purpose presentations are used for is to help entrepreneurs articulate their business strategies. Entrepreneurs may need to explain their business strategies during networking events or during meetings with potential investors. Another purpose or objective of presentations is to sometimes serve as a part of the overall marketing strategy. Sometimes presentations are used to draw attention to the special features of a product. This can happen during meetings with a potential client or customer. Perhaps your company does not sell a physical product. Maybe your company offers a service instead. Even in this case, presentations can be used to show the potential client the value of the service that your company offers. Okay, so the next purpose is to represent facts and figures in a way that can be more easily understood by the audience members. You may submit a report with numerous tables with many columns and many rows. Each row and each column may have many figures or many numbers in them. Reading through all of these figures and all of these numbers can be tedious for many people in the office. But when you present this complex information during your oral presentation in the form of a pie chart or a graph, people are able to consume and interpret this information better. Presentations can also be used to familiarize employees with the company's mission, the organizational vision and goals, or the company culture. Presentations can be used sometimes to entertain audience members, but this is not what we will focus on today. The next purpose is to facilitate employee training. For example, presentations are extensively used in all kinds of professional workshops. They are also used in short-term training programs. The next purpose presentations are used for is to highlight the main discussion points during staff meetings. A presentation can be used to highlight the crucial points that need to be discussed at a staff meeting so that the discussion does not meander off into irrelevant areas. One interesting purpose that presentations are sometimes used for is to check a candidate's oral communication skills. A candidate may be asked to deliver a short presentation as part of the recruitment process, especially if the job description demands attending meetings with clients and giving product presentations. Presentations can be used sometimes by managers to motivate their employees. They can do this by inserting slides that talk about or show the growth in their business and the possibility of bigger commissions, better bonus, etc. And finally, we have arrived at the last purpose that this video will deal with. Presentations are sometimes used by certain companies to build a brand image in the marketplace. They do this by directing their employees to use similar color schemes in all their individual as well as departmental presentations. Employees are also directed to use the company logo in their title slide. In addition to this, employees may be asked to insert the company mission statement, the company's vision statement, or the company's tagline into their presentations. This is of course assuming that the company has a mission statement or a vision statement or a tagline. Now what will happen is, if many employees from the same company deliver presentations in many different venues over the course of weeks and months, the audience members become exposed to the company logo, the company mission statement, the company vision statement, and the company tagline at various occasions. Eventually, with time, there is a brand image that is built about that company in the marketplace. That brings us to the end of this topic. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.